So here we are in Salesforce.com. We're on the contact screen, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taking contact information for John Lederman, one of our Salesforce contacts, and we're going to be using that to create a custom brochure. We're going to be using two different types of information about John. First, we're going to be using some stock information that Salesforce collects, including John's name and his address information. We're also going to be using some custom configured fields that are specific to this Salesforce deployment, such as what discounts John is eligible for, any affiliations he has, things like that. Once we're happy with the information as it is in Salesforce, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click Create a Brochure. So here we are in the document customization window. You'll notice over on the right-hand side, we have a preview of the piece that we're creating that's already been pre-filled with John's contact information. We have his name and his state coming in here into the cover. And then as we move further into the brochure, you'll notice that we also have information from those custom fields we had in Salesforce driving which discounts John is being presented with in the piece. So we have our public transit discount, our anti-theft discount, essentially everything we selected in Salesforce. In addition to the discount selections we made in Salesforce, we're also using our Salesforce integration to drive the placement of other text and images for the affiliate. So John sees his Costco affiliate discount here because that's what we've got him marked as. Along with the pre-filled content, we also have the ability to customize content within the piece. On page 2 of this brochure, we have a welcome letter, and that welcome letter can be typed in by the agent here within the document customization window. We've pre-filled it to give them some suggestions about what they might want to put, and the agent can also fill in their name. When the agent's happy with the brochure that they've got in front of them, they can send that brochure back to Salesforce. So now we're back in Salesforce.com and we're on our Documents tab. We can see that our brochure has already come back to us and that brochure is ready to be emailed off if we wish. When we click on the email link, we're brought to a Compose email screen within Salesforce. We're going to go ahead and search for John Lederman, and then select him as the contact that we'd like to email this piece to. Now at this point, I can either compose an email on my own, or I can use a template. I'm going to go ahead and select the matching template for my particular brochure, and then preview the email that we'll be sending down below. You'll see that Salesforce has gone ahead and merged in John's contact information and my information as a Salesforce user here. And then down at the very bottom, we can see that the brochure that we created in the document customization window is already attached. If we're happy with the way this email looks, we can go ahead and click Send. The email will be sent at that point, and we'll know that by going over and checking the contact record. When I select John's contact, we'll see that the email has been stored in our activity history. We can open up the email and we'll see the text of the email that we've sent, and we can also see the information about the file. After John has read the email, if we go back to his contact, we can even track the fact that our brochure has been read down here in HTML email status. So we've really come full circle. We've used the contact to create a customized piece. That customized piece has been brought back into Salesforce.com. We've used Salesforce.com to email that out, and now we know that our client has actually received the brochure.